Alright guys, sorry. Filming by myself today and I didn't come very prepared, so I'm making a makeshift tripod out of some fucking lock parts so that I can film me unboxing this thing. I don't know if you can hear me in the headphones or how the sound works on this thing, but we're gonna try it. So let's unbox this brand new toolbox. Harbor Freight Special Icon. Icon brand's been good. I've been happy with it. I think it stands up to what the Snap-on says as advertised. Trying to keep track of these instructions over here. Open this up without destroying them. They put the instructions on the side of the box, how to put this together. Open it up. Before, I'm actually a little excited to open this. I've just been waiting so long, it's kind of worn off the novelty. Flap open. Yeah. Alright. So some packing staples here. Get these staples open. Without leaving them all in my driveway to pop my tires. She was coming clean. Sure, there's an easier way to do this that you'll online know that I don't. But I'm gonna do it brute force way because I don't know any better way to do it. I guess I can find a tool or a pry bar. But there she goes. Victory. Victory is mine. There she is, guys. The pretty green that Austin picked out. Old Fozzie Bear wanted the green one to go with the blue van. Keys hanging in the front. Wonderful packing materials off. She's a hog, isn't she? That's what we're working out of in this van. Build my van slightly different than the average trade guy. That plastic off. Little bubbles in my powder coat finish, but it looks good otherwise so far. I didn't really think this very far ahead on account that you have to roll this thing off directly to where I'm parked next to on the van that I already hooked the ramp up on. I meant to back that up before I hooked up the ramp, but I didn't really think that far ahead. I thought that far ahead, I just didn't execute. It's locked, that's why. Shift lock makes sense. You're unlocked. Impressive, Harbor Freight. So that's the high security toolbox keys. See, you see that? That's a high security bad boy. It's got the channel grooves. As a locksmith, I hate getting them brought in, but as a person buying it, I know how hard they are to get copies of. Not bad, Harbor Freight. Drawer. Find our handles, our push bars, our ramps are supposed to be in there. There's a walk around the outside of this thing. She's pretty. She's got power in the back. $72". USB and plugs on the front. Entire power drawer. How's that? All your power tools, power drawer. There's a charging drawer in here somewhere. Right there. Socket tree. Pretty cool stuff. Now we gotta figure out how to assemble these toolbars. I'll put the keys back in this because if I put them anywhere other than right there, I'm going to lose them during the course of this video. Then we have to pause it while I have a heart attack because I lost them. Oh, break my bag. Didn't mean to do that. Ooh. There you go, Harbor Freight. Nice heavy duty cord on that Harbor Freight plug. Male. We got female. Let's plug in 2 spots. You have 2 different places you gotta plug in. All your power drawer in your back. One plug into the wall. Ooh, it's a warm one today. Push bar arms. To be honest, I'm probably not actually going to put them on. Just going to take up unnecessary space in a van where space is essential. There's our pole arms. But I don't think we want them on. We have to ready to unbox this thing and ramp it. Remember, it's not going in my garage like the average person buying one of these, so I don't need all the extra pulling arms and ramps. This thing's not going to move. It's going to stay in one place after it gets put in. We're not moving it. Push bar ramps. These should be our cheap chucking ramps to get it out. Lost my scissors. That's always a good start. Wisely set them right on top of the thing behind us. There it is. Beautiful wooden ramp. Push it off the side. We'll be back when the fun starts again, trying to get it into this big old van. That's it, guys. That's the unboxed Harbor Freight new toolbox. Till you test the power, that's about all I can show you. Kind of excited.